Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and probably chicken feet are not the first thing that you think of for something to feed to your dog. But I can assure you that it's probably all your dog is thinking about once they get a taste of these ones from Dog Chits. So my mom has a little Shih Tzu dog, and it is unbelievable how much he loves these. They are crunchy, and they're obviously tasty because if you try to take it away from him, he will run away from you. Some things about these ones from Dog Chits that are really great are, number one, that they're just one ingredient. There are no additives, and I know with my mom's dog, he chews on it for a little bit and then he kind of swallows like a lot of it all at one time, and it is completely digestible. When it comes out the other end, there is nothing left. Even though I didn't feed these to my cat, she had fun playing with them and licking them, which I felt was rather disgusting, but hey, they're animals, so we can't really question what they like. I can assure you that your dog is going to absolutely love these chicken feet. They're a great treat or useful with training. My mom's dog recommends these highly, and so do I, and that's my point of view.